Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a podi for idli and dosa at your home. So for the podi, what you need, I added 3 tablespoon of urad dal. So I used this spoon and 3 tablespoon of chana dal, and we have to fry this one until it becomes light brown in color and we get the nice aroma from this. And after that we have to add the red chilli. So first we have to fry this one until it becomes light brown in color. So today I am sharing the recipe of how to make a hotel podi at your home for idli and dosa. Can you see? It started becoming light brown in color and it's time to remove from the kadai, and I'm going to put this one in the plate. After that we have to fry the red chilli in the same kadai. So always remember guys, when you are making podi, you have to use this type of kadai. This is my grandma's kadai, so I'm using this one. So yeah, don't do it in the non-stick pan. This kadai gives a nice taste and flavor in the podi. So in the same kadai, I am adding this red chilli. So how much spice you want in your podi, according to that you can add the red chilli. We have to fry this red chilli for 2 to 3 minutes. So we have to fry everything separate. So in the same kadai, I am adding the sesame seed. This gives a nice flavor in the podi. So here I am adding 4 tablespoons of sesame seed and we have to fry for 1 minute. So I fried this sesame seed for 1 to 2 minutes and I kept it in the plate. So when it becomes cooled down, we have to grind it in the blender as a smooth powder. And today I will share how to make podi idli also. So yeah. So homemade idli podi is the best guys. You can prepare this podi at your home very easily. So I put all these things in the blender and it's time to add the salt so that it is nicely mixed with the podi. And it's time to make a powder. The podi is ready guys, and it's time to prepare the idli podi. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some podi in this plate. So I added some podi in the plate, and what I'm going to do, make a small hole in the middle and I'm going to add this sesame oil. It gives a nice taste in this podi, and I'm going to mix this one with my hand. If you want, you can use the spoon also, but in South India we do like this. And in this I'm going to add this idli and we have to mix this podi in this idli. We have to apply a lot of podi in each idli. So the podi idli is ready guys. Freshly grounded homemade podi and along with the idli, and here is the podi and podi idli. So when it becomes cooled down, I will put it in the container. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make idli podi along with the Podi idli at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.